Hello, YouTube! This is Trainboy54, and, well, it's Black Friday, and today we'll be having a Black Friday Train Demolition Derby. Well, here are our contestants for Black Friday. Hero, the Master of the Railway, well, classic Trackmaster Hero. The Scottish Twins, Donald and Douglas. The Trackmaster Talking Racing Diesel, the Phantom of the Opera, Gator Style, Wicked Witch Mavis, Scruffenstein, Neville, and my custom black or original 2009 Trackmaster James. So, my custom black James will go on his own. I gave Neville a blue boxcar for him to pull. Wicked Witch Mavis, Scruffenstein are okay. So is Talking Diesel. The Phantom of the Opera, Gator Style, I gave him 2 trucks to pull. And Douglas, a red plank truck. And Donald, my custom black troublesome trucks with different expressions. And Hero is okay. So I'll get all those black engines running around the layout so that we'll see who will be the engine for Black Friday. So here they go. Hero going first. The Scottish Twins, Donald and Douglas next. The Phantom of the Opera, Gator Style. The Talking or Racing Diesel. Scruffenstein. Mavis, or Wicked Witch Mavis, Neville, and Black James. Yes, it's the calm before the storm. That's what Leokin Video says. It's the calm before the storm. Oh, Gator's giving Donald a bit of a nudge. Scruffenstein coming up behind Gator. Oh, a bit of a crash could happen any second now. Oh, Gator's truck is coming a bit derailed there. Oh, okay. There goes Scruffenstein and Gator. Oh, Neville's boxcar is coming derailed. Oh, what the heck? The Scruffenstein is broken free. Oh, this wasn't supposed to happen. Well, that's Neville, Hero, Donald, and Scruffenstein. Oh, here it comes, Oh, that wasn't supposed to happen. Oh, what do you know about that? It looks like Wicked Witch Mavis has won. Of all those black engines that were in the Black Friday Train Demolition Derby, Wicked Witch Mavis won. So she's the engine for both Halloween and Black Friday. How could this be impossible? I gave Wicked Witch Mavis no rolling stock to pull, so... Well... I don't know. let's just have... No, maybe not. Maybe next year. Wrong now! I have a solution of how to sort this out. Mavis is not gonna be the engine for Black Friday. I've shortened the competitors to 8 competitors. Hero at the front as usual, the Scottish twins Donald and Douglas. Douglas is pulling the plank truck, Red. Donald pulling the custom black troublesome trucks. Racing Diesel, good. The Phantom of the Opera, Gator style, pulling 2 trucks, all covered up. Neville, still a blue boxcar. Scruffenstein, the same. And Black James, the same. We'll see who will really be the Black Friday train of Black Friday. Well, let's just get them all going. Hero, the master of the railway. The Scottish twins, Donald and Douglas. The Phantom of the Opera, Gator style. Racing Diesel. Neville this time. Scruffenstein. And Black James. Oh. Well, how come James is only running that slow? Come on, James. Pick up the pace. Oh, boy. Well, Diesel is giving Douglas and James a shove. So is Gator. He's giving Donald and Hero a shove. There could be a derailment any second. Oh, there it is, there it is, there it is. Oh, there's even more derailment. Oh, it's happened, it's happened, it's happened. Okay, only Hero and Donald are left. I've got to investigate James later. Oh. Oh. Donald is one? Apart from my custom Black James not really working, because there's something wrong apparently. All the other black engines have derailed on the track. Donald has won the Black Friday Train Demolition Derby. Ugh. Well, let's have one more quick round, and then I'll have to... Well, I'll have to investigate the Black James somehow. So, stay tuned.